How to return items on Temu and get a refund. Hey everybody, if you'd like to return an item on Temu and receive a refund, you can follow up the steps. So open up the Temu application and log in into your account. After you are logged in, go to your orders. For that, look out for your U section in the bottom right corner of your screen. And from there, look out for the option called Your Orders and tap on it. And once you are in your orders, you may just go ahead and find the specific order containing the item that you wish to return and select return or refund. So just go ahead and select up the specific item that you're returning and select the reason for the return. And you may be asked to provide additional information or photos. You may just go ahead and select the return method. Temu usually provides a prepaid shipping label for the first return in an order. If you're returning multiple items, ensure they are all included in the same return package to avoid return shipping fees. And if you're not required to return the item, you can select a refund method and skip the shipping step. After that is done, just go ahead and provide the return label and securely attach it to your return package. Make sure you include the original barcodes for each item that you're returning, and ship the package using a designated courier. So just go ahead and do so. And once Timu receives and processes a return, they will initiate a refund. The refund will be processed to your original payment method, which may take a few business days to reflect. And that is it. So you can head over and follow up the steps if you'd like to return items on Temu and get a refund. And the thing that are important are Temu offers a 90-day return window for most items, but some electronics may have different return windows. So the first return for every order is free. You might be eligible for a partial refund if the item is used or missing its packaging. And that's it. So you may just head over and follow up the steps if you'd like to return an item on Temu and get a refund. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.